non bang lo tadi lagi Mister kiwa final round lo.
You are witnessing the third round of the Mr. KYF 2026, which is presented by the Public Cultural Society in collaboration with Dear Officer Run.
Last pa.
So, all right people, once again can we have a big round of applause for all our participants. Ito once again din kadong mga pasahero ito Richard and Personnel. Again, nada kito bang inquiry isipin, bangkit, abang pusi final round long, alang itong seperti itu long po, mati final round long masih Q&A round kami ada satu po. So out of the 21 contestants, only 10 contestants will move to the final round. Tapi dalam itu contestant number, dilino ng league ito. Tadi itu pada repeat hanggang pinunama, hanggang pinagdi. And the first contestant moving to the final round of the Mr. KYF 2026 is contestant number. Any guesses from the audience? Go on. And the first contestant moving to the final round of the Mr. KYF 2026 is contestant number 2. Congratulations, contestant number 2. Contestant number 2, ada di final round along seperti itu Longpo. And the next contestant. And the next contestant moving to the final round of the Mr. KYF 2026 is contestant number 3. Can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 3? Okay. And the next contestant going to the final round is
15.
Contestant number 4. Please put your hands to the floor, contestant number 4. Yes. And the next contestant going to the final round is contestant number 6. Contestant number 6. Moving on to next we have contestant number 8. Contestant number 8. And the next contestant going to the final round is contestant number 10. 1-0. Yes. Contestant number 10.
Make some noise for contestant number 10.
And the next contestant moving to the final round of the Mr. KYF 2026 is contestant number 13. Contestant number 13. 1-3. Yes.
Make some noise for contestant number 13.
We have 3 more contestants. And then who will be that lucky contestant? Any guesses from the audience?
15.
And the next contestant moving to the final round is contestant number 15. Please put your hands to the floor. Contestant number 15.
Make some noise for contestant number 15.
Next we have contestant number 17. 1-7. Please put your hands to the floor. Contestant number 17.
Make some noise for contestant number 17.
Last but not the least, contestant moving to the final round is contestant number. Any guesses?
21. 21.
Contestant number 21. Yes, put your hands to the floor. Contestant number 21.
Let's make some noise for contestant number 21.
This side is top 10. Who will be participating from the final round of the Mr. KYF 2026?
And they are going to compete for the most winter title, that is Mr. KYF 2026.
And then the rest of you may proceed to the next stage. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Babusan hai elok ko. 21.
Nasialang litun bakit lang po si pining nasuri ini rai koratrok asengkan kapan Mr. KYF andong mati nabangso title alam ito ang mong pensinon final round sa pakipompo napen non labangso kidutsi ang deng lomangge karjupen kitak mati Q&A round nabangso rounds na dito polipo nasi non nito alam to padapin masin to pangche polipo.
This is the most exciting part and crucial part of this event.
15 cái winner. Chắc con hay winner ball vẹt luôn.
They are competing for the most coveted title, that is Mr. KYF 2026. Mr. KYF 2026 is organized by Karpi Cultural Society in collaboration with Jirsong Atira. Ladies and gentlemen, in a brief period of time, we are going to see who is gonna win the title of Mr. KYF 2026. This is the most exciting and crucial part of this event. That is question and answer round.
Binarji, ekonom kepo. Bang koresisten bang Kevin non pertama kan final long.
I request all the contestants to please step backward.
Final. Auckland na belum ako. Template bu.
So people, presenting you, these are the top 10s moving to the finalists for the Mr. KYF 2026. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for all the contestants. Dari point nomor 6 ni Richard Bill sedang alang itu mapan, alang itu top 10 ang kecepatan itu tegapon. Tangten on itu Q&A round, the final round itu project for the people. So now at this point in time, we are going to proceed with the final round and the Q&A round. And in this round, the participants are allowed to choose the judges. So according to that, the judges will ask questions to the participants. So judges, can we start?
Music.
So we'll start with contestant number 2. Can we have contestant number 2?
Long kiri.
Contestant number 2.
Ah, cici ni deh. Tu dah ka.
Okay, can you have the music?
Jok cedat polok ya.
Music, please.
Music.
Just can we have contestant number 2?
Long kiri. All the best kak. Question Arju. Question, come on. Dan non final result lah. Cengsi kalau pon lah bang kan. Sebenarnya tu sir. Question number 2.
You can choose among you.
Yeah, I would like
Mr. KYF, boleh kita lalu.
Ya ya.
Oh, semalam dah sebut noi. Semalam dah sebut noi.
Okay, so before I answer any question, I'd like to clarify to all the participants, not only the captain, but to every contestant. You might be thinking, why is my number not in the list? Because you need to select the top 10 or that law. I'll tell you the reason. Penangang tonggang law, ito kanang greet evening to all the judges. Good evening ito penang to mari kan sama kardong indeng pokok ini kardong semua orang aja kardong nang bajero. Seta the most important thing is missing. Topi lo belakangnya no eye contact. Ito kanang greet lo, but ito kanang langge. Not lo langge, only to the audience. One thing always remember. Jong say last on a platform ng chapati to lopulotante kumarapan si greet lang. If you're greeting to the judges, look at us. Eye contact chipinon. If you're greeting to the audience, look at the audience. Alright? Always remember. Audience is not only in the middle. Left and right, you should cover it all. And second is kenangan tunke kami kadolo is kami officers need to take long. Smile about it. There should be a smiling face. You're not working for a one-way show. Okay? Like a one-way show, kami tu kita lagi kacupati pansi, but thank you to Madhuri. Masalah personality is very important. So always smile.
Ini pula kayak mana kan dulu kayak.
Alright?
Kayak mana tuh?
So, my question to you is very simple. English is marginal. What do you prefer?
I prefer Caribbean.
Okay. You prefer Cardi.
21 eh, not yang England tuh. Kamu nih. Halo.
Kalau so, ating si, mana kalau so kacapati, kalau so home chai, anything. Sino nalinig sila? What is your favorite part of this festival, the Caribbean festival?
Kami na, choice aling na.
Favorite part, nalinig ka daw kaya kusok part lo. The festival, go big na din. So that sa stage to along kaprek do, lapit ka siya patita, isang kaprek do. Tapos sila do, anak kong pen, kalobang sila, nalinig ka daw kung very simple and very easy, I think.
Cho perfect lo mẹ mà Brazil là so question jumisen di mana kar jukon kot. Dili favorite part berarti dengan samnai cerita ke along kaprek kan dilo. Dili cipuin dia kono lo makin kat. Dili ko cerita lu SEMSON sing INGTI. Ada dia kono mak prote. Mora sonjo laso kaprek stage sitame do. Sitame Pining we, Mr. KYF, laso ahong jaya long si, ke host mati ki dipo na pot, last time ning sisa big lo, lapen dolang laten so tagalila, lapen da audience, kelang aral dun kami, doet kami penidum karang support dun, itu mana distract dari sisi men sila kami doon ng kan doon itu mana encourage doon ng jakong ng pidun tapi itu mana ang sa cepati mana men ng pidun na support tado tapi nilis kami non na Mr. KYF na sohong jay dakit dolong no nitong kami cepati longpot na siniri dakit sumuelo and thank you very much to the perfect moment.
Kanta ba naman ko? Teka lang yan, dear.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 2. Up next, I would like to invite contestant number 3. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 3. Let us all welcome contestant number 3.
Teka, 6.3 pumadi ka.
Minus point.
Terenam. Yeah! Pitaran. Yalla. Pitaran.
Okay, contestant number 3. This is momentu alingkan si Ma'am Amazon.
Jumisa na lang si Anggar Jumpa iyo po.
Wasa ba dada? Siya dulu dulu.
Sintan lagi.
No. Oh no. Api telang. No. Correct lo.
Thank you so much, contestant number 3. Up next, I'd like to call contestant number 4. Here is contestant number 4. Make some noise for contestant number 4.
Once again, good evening. Yes.
Bukan.
I'd like to introduce Longer sir.
Ya. Ijang Pilavar, sir.
Hello,
Hello sir.
this is Sokdi.
Yes sir.
Ya.
Question is simple tinggi loh.
Sige, on kok.
Untuk kalian long.
Yes sir.
Untuk kalian long. Masuk kalian founding father of Command.
What sir?
Founding father of our district.
Sir, could you please repeat the question again?
OMG English.
First of all, thank you for the question, sir. So, it's rules and society.
Seru. Untuk kalian district Kelongan.
1952, sir.
District untuk kalian long.
Oh, kotin sa question ko lang.
Sorry, sir, for that. Can I get another question?
2026.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, contestant number 4. Alright, moving on to the next, I'd like to invite contestant number 6. Contestant number 6. Ladies and gentlemen, here's contestant number 6.
Handsome boy. Hakdun lang ko lagi.
I would like to choose
Tada.
that is Mongia.
Mongia. Could you tell me the spelling?
MONGIA.
Okay, it's written here. So sorry for that. Okay, Mongia, good evening. Where are you from?
I'm from Nova Flavor.
Wow.
Question to you is, who was the first among the Garbis? Listen very carefully. Who was the first among the Garbis to be conferred with the Padma Shri Award? Carbian Monten, Padma Shri anong Komatsi Kelong Chingma.
Thank you for the question, Miss. So my answer is Kokila Lecture.
No. Tada. Jok check up dulu.
Can we have counter question if you comment about KYF?
Okay, I'll answer the simple one. Tell us about the Jambili Athon.
This not
India,
is
check it
Guru
for
Langon Tanna.
Jambuli Atong is our symbolic of our garbage, and
This not is Guru
so I
Langon
would like to
Tanna.
say first KYF, that is Barbecue Festival, is a great platform where individuals can represent themselves and the people of their community. It's an opportunity to show that you are unique and you are capable for a title. So Jambuli Atong describe 5 clans that are Izang, Hanjang, Rongzang, Lizang, and Tungzang. Thank you so much.
Correct.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, this is contestant number 6. Moving on to the next, I'd like to call contestant number 8. This is contestant number 8, presenting to you contestant number 8.
All the best. Present Thailand level na kade. Mix my bro. Makeup artist. Tada. Welcome back to my home, Prasino.
INGTI ACHATAI
Isang pilakor.
Pardon, pardon, sir. 저희오지 만크스 좀 디스트릭트 농생 district
Ang mo chuotan de. Ang mo chuotan. Ano lo bra?
Thank you so much, contestant number 8. Up next, I would like to call contestant number 10. Contestant number 10. Hello, ma'am. Hi, sir.
1952.
Alright, close ma'am.
Di ba mabilang ko niya? Diyan sa mga pahira sa ito.
Oh, ma'am.
Yeah, I am.
Winner! Winner!
So my question to you is, who was the first General Secretary of the Karbi Lamera Mine? Karbi Lamera Mine alone, Commission Bangat Kumasi, Iklem Chemi.
Thank you, ma'am, for the question.
Dekat kali. Kali kau penuh. Kali dekat. Kali dekat lah kayak Kimi.
For me, I'm sorry.
Setinggi membaka, oi. Setinggi membaka.
100%
Yeah, I'm just 5%.
Lihat ni ye tu.
I'll be right back. Lombok,
Thank you, ma'am. So now, could you give me another question more, ma'am?
Long le lo. Long le lo. No chance. Long le lo. No chance.
Deron bin ha.
Oi, ik nang hai lo ko. Hai lo.
kami dumi isigatar usually sa mga ganang hanggal ko sa isigat ko.
Kau
Sobrang sobrang apulong people si Bojaro ani just like na to.
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. So, tung posaru kasi sa iya, kemari tung sambil tung long matiada, tung karbi, totem kusi buku, stamina ada bodo, beleng atlen do, lapen sub atlen do, stamina ada abo ke do lagi, posaru, stamina isi, lapen tung karbi long beng ke laso, mana king of birds sudah pu. Profesional to isi, asyik bol mati isi representative itu lah, bol karbi, community hari isi representative ansi. Itulah kasih seglo mana lah soal oke mana itu kami bilang situ mana itu lagi sudah teglo mau lagi itu dah jadi kalau kami itu
Bang baca cek di kau kan bisa beda dulu bang kan baca cek lagi.
semua itu bazaar kasih seglo
Ni situ ni. Ojar lo ejeng pan lo. Jangan lagi. Pan lo lagi.
Pelik
Ojar ni bang kan baca cek lo. Allah mahal boleh punya.
you just said pelik.
Kamu tu kan lo jalan dah. Kaprek.
Thank you so much, contestant number 10. Next song would like to call, that is contestant number 13. Let us all welcome contestant number 13. Taralangso. And good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen, especially to our respected judges. I am Paulus Pangsho, representing from Meghalaya. And the judges that I'm going to pick, it would be Nam.
Where exactly are you from?
Yes, ma'am, I'm from Meghalaya, Report District.
Tell us about Report District. What's the special?
First of all, I would like to say thank you, ma'am, for the beautiful questions. And my answer would go that Report District, which belong the state of Meghalaya, is full with beautiful trees, fresh waters, where every places were full with green leaves, and misty hills with fresh airs, fresh waters, and that is the best specialty of the people in Report District. And people there, they are very friendly and they are very welcoming. That's all, miss. Thank you.
I have another question. If we want to visit Report District, which you suggest us?
Pardon, ma'am?
Should I translate in Thai?
In English.
In English, okay. We come to your place to visit. We come to your place as a visitor.
Yes.
So which place would you suggest us?
All right. It would definitely, in our place, where I stay in Ongwang, Nongba village, because most of the people there, they are very friendly and they are very welcoming. They are very respect to each of them, because we, as the humanity, as the Karbi people, we have the tradition, the respect, and the dignity that we have. That is to love and respect to the elders and to all the humans. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 13. Alright, moving on to the next, I would like to call contestant number 15. Let us all welcome contestant number 15.
Winner, bro.
Once again, good evening, judges. I would like to choose Longer side.
Computer sa pancur sang doon like carpenter di siwati.
Hello, go. Langsung kang sudah party ke?
Very simple. Which was the year the KYF started? And then, first of all, thank you for the question again, sir. Well, the first KYF was festival was celebrated in the year of 1974, sir. And then, in DIPHU club, no Karbi club, sorry. So where is this Karbi club? It's near Rongthalang, sir. Near Rongthalang. Exact location? Exact location, sir.
Wrong ni hang.
I don't know the address name. I'm so sorry for that. It's wrong.
Wrong ni hang. And please put a no.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, winner.
That is contestant number 15. And moving on to the next, I would like to call contestant number 17. That is all. Welcome contestant number 17 with a thundering round of applause. Once again, good evening, judges. So I will host men.
Yeah, bro. What you want?
Ane, lahay ha. Persaki. Di.
Good evening, man.
Looking really handsome and gentleman.
Thank you, man, for the compliment.
So my question to you is, if you are given a chance to discuss about the social issues with the leaders of Karbi Anglong, it can be anyone with the leaders of Karbi Anglong. What issues?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. If I were given a chance to discuss about a social issue with the leaders of Karbi Anglong, then I will give her education sector. As I belong from DIPHU Government College, most of the I met students wearing they are not really means advanced as compared to like other countries. So only I will give her education and then about the poverty also, and then I will discuss them about unity, and I will promote Karbi culture as well, so that the younger generation can come with more knowledge about our culture. Thank you.
You say you like to promote Karbi culture. How would you promote? How would you do that?
So I will tell them that to invest in like Mr. KYF show or Miss KYF show, and that there will be one representative. This will be going for state or for nation or for international stage, and that if we go up to the international stage, we can showcase our tradition, and from that it will influence more and more over the world. Thank you.
Thank you.
Contestant contestant number 17, and thank you so much. And moving on to the next, I would like to call contestant number 21. That is all. Welcome contestant number 21 with a big round of applause.
Ningkan kau ngomong nang yau tak tak.
Nili ingkoi ke from lasa.
Korang.
Ningkan suri serkap.
Isu jangan mau pun aku kena.
Kupelang sa.
Bukela. Kamu itu dah ingin apa?
Akan pun bela lagi. Akan friend lagi. Akan friend. Agar friend lagi.
Apang hut dulu sida mana bang ke lahain bang ning hangirat kita.
Tarmana break up dak ma.
Nang ideal wife kosong sih nanti.
Tarmana cikak.
Nang li kenanji, nang li hemasok kosong nang po.
Thank you for this question, sir. Nili hemasol mate nili life partner nong majobe bang kami. Nili pan dancing hall nang ko nili pan sa polo ko na nili ko nili pa hanan napi kami nang ko. Ano ko?
Nang li pan kencing dan non an, nang mungkin nang lang lo, round number 1 kan. Nang li smile bang konti.
Isi nili cari pamang teng pensi nili isi teacher dia ni pensi nili istes kalu
เขาละส่วนนี้มิสเทคดิกแหละอามาติริพันธ์ริติจานังทันล้อหลังจงสีหงใจมันอิสเตสน์นี่ดังอิสมาเฟสมันกาเกตตัวรังจีเป็นอะไรท่านอามาสิรินิงจีพีโลริจกสิตัวอันเป็นอะไรตุปะเกโลเป็นโอดีเอสปะเกโลสิริกาเกตอิสมาเฟสมันตัวเองโล
That's it. I like it. Thank you very much.
Bagusan Vietnam.
Ni kanalipan SEMSON kanang julo dengan kecing kanalipan ang lang bongok.
Bagusan hai hello. Bagusan hai hello. Bagusan Vietnam.
Alun kabonda ba ijang pinawan ni ling doktik
Penang rong buko. Bagusan. Hai hello kau. Tada. 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 Bagusan hai hello.
Thank you so much, contestant number 21. Ladies and gentlemen, here they are, competing for the most Norwegian title, that is Mr. KYF 2026. In a short while, we'll get to know who's gonna win the title of Mr.